Lesson 4 Text Files Reading and Writing Files. Right, first I'm gonna show you the definition of a file. Before we can go into how to work with files in Python, it's important to understand what exactly a file is and how modern operating systems handle some of their aspects. At its core, a file is a contiguous set of bytes used to store data. This data is organized in a specific format and can be anything as simple as a text file or as complicated as a program executable. The file systems are composed of the three main parts. The first is the header, metadata about the contents of the file name. The second is data, contents of the file as written by the creator or editor. The last one is file and a file, special character that indicates the end of the file. Next, I'm gonna show you how to create a file in Python. In Python, you use the open function with one of the following options. W to create a new file. W, write. This command will create a new text file whether or not there's a file in the memory with the specified name. It does not return an error if it is file an existing file with the same name. Instead, it will override the existing file. I took an example of how to create a file with the W command. With the code above, whether the file exists or the file doesn't exist in the memory, you can still go ahead and use that code. Just keep in mind that it will override the file if it finds an existing file with the same name. The next part is how to write a file. The write method. This function inserts the string into the text file on a single line. Based on the file we have created above, the below line of code will insert the string into the created file, which is my file.txt. And now, I'm showing how to read from a text file. You have to use the read method. This function returns the bytes read as a string. If no end is specified, it then reads the entire file. The readLine method. This function reads a line from a file and returns it as a string. It reads at the most n bytes. The final is how to close a text file in Python. This function closes the text file when you're done modifying it. Moreover, the close function at the end of the code tells Python that well I'm done. With the section of either reading or reading is just like saying end. I'm gonna put all of these theories into practice. Take an example like this. I will create a text file in disk drive D, and I write in that text file Dong HSGS. You code like me, and you run it on terminal. When you save it and run it on terminal with the right syntax python x.py, you won't see anything, right? Don't be panic, my friends. When you open the disk drive D, you'll be surprised. And here is the result. Click into text file. I will get what I have written. Tung Lum HSGS. Alright guys, I've just experienced write method and now I'm moving to read a text file. I will read all of these numbers from read method. Okay, based on the previous example, I assign variable n equal every line, and you have to convert every line into integer. Moreover, I assign variable data equal every line, close, and print both of them and data into terminal. Save it and run it. And here is my result. Anyway, thanks guys for watching this video.